Hey, what's up? Glad you're back. I'm Ken with Empyrean Motion Pictures, and today I just want to share a little clip with you from our movie Golgotha. In this scene, it takes place at a place called the Barn, which is was an actual bar, and this is where the girl character in our movie works. And they went there to collect stuff for survival issues. They get into the place and they start rummaging and trying to collect stuff for their journey. But first of all, I want to say that the bar is no longer there. It's called Nomad or something now in Austin. And at the time, the owner's name was Anita. She was really, really cool to work with. I'm glad we were able to shoot there. The girl's character, Sarah Gomez, was really super awesome to work with. I would work with her again in a heartbeat. And I feel like she just carried this scene. That night, we only had a crew of 2 people. It was myself and the producer Amanda and Eric, who was our sound guy. And then later on, Erica showed up to help us wrap up the night. But man, that was a long night. It was hot. It was really hot. I never forget that. But I'd do it again. And Ruben is the guy who gets, Ruben Zamaron, he's the guy who gets the AK rifle jammed into his mouth. And he was really professional. Great guy. I'd work with him again. No problem. And yeah, we did clean off the barrel because everybody was touching these props and everything, so we made sure it was clean before it got jammed into his mouth. He never complained, ever, throughout this whole shoot. And I have to say there was some really brutal days and brutal nights, but never once did he say, oh man, is it almost over? We almost done? Nothing like that. Professional guy. So the cast and crew were told that day by the producer, Amanda, do not touch these props, because we didn't have a prop master. So we had to just lay them out on a pool table somewhere so that they were ready, when we needed them. So she tells everybody that specifically. And I just hear, she turns around and starts talking to me, asks me some questions. And I hear Eric back there. And I look around her shoulder and, the cast is over there stabbing each other with these prop knives and shooting each other with the guns and duct taping each other to the ceilings and the walls. People love to play with these props, and it's cool, but that's why you need a prop master, so you can take control of that, and so nobody gets hurt. That's how people do get injured if you have live rounds or something, which you should never have on a set, by the way. And the AK was not a real AK, it was a replica, just so you know. Anyway, enjoy the clip and let me know what you think.
Hey, stay the fuck back!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You almost shot my fucking face off!
Tried stabbing me. You like stabbing little girls? You like hurting little girls? Stay the fuck back. Keep your hands where I can see them. I'll fuck you up. Get on your fucking knees. Now! Open your mouth. Shut the fuck up.
Like, share, subscribe, do the whole thing. All right, later.